Welcome to our continuing project, where we're adding Apache management to YaST. First, let's log into the system and elevate to root privilege to access YaST. If you followed the first video, your user account password is used as the root password. Now, let's update the operating system for patches and security fixes. The video has been sped up and edited to save time. Once our system is updated, let's navigate to software management in YaST. Search for YaST 2 to locate and install the YaST 2 HTTP server module, which will let us manage Apache from YaST. After installing the module, restart YaST and navigate to Network Services to find the HTTP server. Run the HTTP server to start the setup configuration script. First step, open port 80 in the firewall to allow traffic to that port on all interfaces. Next, install PHP packages. This will replace PHP 7 with PHP 8.1. Leave the default host. This server is for development purposes. Skip the VUhost settings for now. We'll cover that in another video. Change after writing config and after reboot to start on boot. This ensures Apache starts when the operating system loads. The system installs the necessary packages and returns to the main screen when complete. Let's check if the server is running and can be connected to. Going to our server's IP address, we see the Apache server is up and working. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.